Hey, what's up, guys? It's Marquez here, and today we're diving into some game-changing AI tools that every YouTube creator should know about. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned vet, these tools can seriously up your YouTube game, from optimizing your videos to boosting your productivity. Let's get started. First up, we've got TubeBuddy, a beast of a tool that integrates right into your YouTube studio. It's like having a personal assistant that knows the ins and outs of YouTube, guiding you every step of the way. Think of it as your channel's co-pilot, helping you navigate the world of YouTube optimization. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, TubeBuddy has something for everyone. TubeBuddy is all about making your life easier, with features like keyword research to help you find what people are actually searching for. This means you can tailor your content to meet the demands of your audience, increasing your chances of getting discovered. It also does tag suggestions because, let's be real, tagging can be a pain. With TubeBuddy, you get smart tag suggestions that can boost your video's visibility and reach. And my favorite part? TubeBuddy helps you keep an eye on the competition with detailed analytics. You can track your performance and see how you stack up against others in your niche. You can see what's working for others in your niche and adjust your strategy accordingly. This competitive edge can be the difference between staying stagnant and growing your channel exponentially. Another fantastic feature is A/B testing. TubeBuddy allows you to test different thumbnails, titles, and tags to see which ones perform better. This way, you can optimize your content for maximum engagement. TubeBuddy also offers bulk processing tools, which can save you a ton of time. Whether you need to update descriptions, add cards, or end screens, TubeBuddy makes it easy to manage multiple videos at once. And let's not forget the SEO Studio. TubeBuddy helps you optimize your videos for search engines, ensuring that your content is easily discoverable by your target audience. Plus, TubeBuddy has a vibrant community of creators where you can share tips, ask questions, and get support. It's like having a network of fellow YouTubers who are all rooting for your success. And the best part? TubeBuddy is available on mobile too, so you can manage your channel on the go. Whether you're at home or on the move, TubeBuddy is always there to help you grow your channel. So, if you're serious about taking your YouTube channel to the next level, TubeBuddy is the co-pilot you need. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, it's no wonder why so many creators swear by it. Give TubeBuddy a try and see how it can transform your YouTube journey. Happy creating. Next, we're talking vidIQ, another powerhouse when it comes to YouTube analytics and SEO. vidIQ is a comprehensive tool designed to help content creators, marketers, and businesses optimize their YouTube channels. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, vidIQ provides a wealth of features that can significantly enhance your video SEO strategy. vidIQ is like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, giving you the insights you need to rank higher in search results and get more eyeballs on your content. It offers a suite of tools that help you understand your audience better, track your performance, and identify opportunities for growth. From keyword research to competitor analysis, vidIQ covers all the bases. One of the coolest things about vidIQ is its ability to analyze your competitors' videos. This feature allows you to see what strategies are working for them, giving you a competitive edge. You can dive deep into their video performance metrics, understand their keyword strategies, and even see their engagement rates. This information is invaluable for crafting your own content strategy. You can see what's working for them, what keywords they're ranking for, and even get suggestions on how to improve your own content. vidIQ's keyword research tool is particularly powerful, offering insights into search volume, competition, and overall keyword effectiveness. This helps you choose the best keywords to target, ensuring your videos reach the right audience. Plus, vidIQ offers real-time feedback as you're uploading your videos, helping you optimize titles, descriptions, and tags on the fly. This feature ensures that your videos are fully optimized before they go live, increasing their chances of ranking higher in search results. With vidIQ, you can also track your video's performance post-upload, making adjustments as needed to maximize engagement and reach. Whether you're looking to grow your subscriber base, increase your views, or boost your overall channel performance, vidIQ provides the tools and insights you need to succeed. Now, let's talk visuals. Canva is an absolute game changer for creating eye-catching thumbnails and channel art that demands attention. You don't need to be a design wizard to use Canva. They've got tons of templates, fonts, and stock images to get you started. And the best part? It's super intuitive to use, even if you're design challenged like me. Trust me, with Canva, you'll have your channel looking slick and professional in no time. Chapter 4. Lumen 5. From blog post to Blockbuster video. Ever wish you could turn your blog posts into engaging videos without breaking a sweat? Well, now you can with Lumen 5. This AI-powered tool takes your written content and transforms it into stunning videos, complete with music, images, and even voiceovers. It's perfect for repurposing your existing content and reaching a wider audience. Just paste in your blog post, choose a template, and let Lumen 5 work its magic. It's that easy. Chapter 5. Descript. Editing made easy. Editing can be one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation, but Descript is here to change that. Imagine spending hours meticulously cutting and splicing clips, only to realize you missed a crucial detail. Frustrating, right? Descript aims to eliminate that hassle. Descript is a revolutionary tool that lets you edit your videos and podcasts like you would a text document. Seriously, it's mind-blowing. No more dragging and dropping clips endlessly. Instead, you can focus on crafting your story. Just upload your audio or video file, and Descript will transcribe it for you. This transcription is incredibly accurate, saving you the trouble of manually typing out every word. From there, you can edit the text to remove filler words, add transitions, and even create entire sections just by typing. Imagine being able to cut out all those ums and ahs with a simple click. You can also rearrange segments effortlessly, making your content flow seamlessly. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to streamline their editing workflow. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, Descript makes the process intuitive and efficient. No more feeling overwhelmed by complex software. With Descript, you can focus on what truly matters, creating amazing content. Chapter 6. Hootsuite, your social media command center. Managing your social media presence can feel like a full-time job, but Hootsuite makes it a whole lot easier. This powerful platform lets you manage all your social media accounts from one central location. Schedule posts in advance, track your analytics, and engage with your audience across multiple platforms. With Hootsuite, you can stay on top of your social media game and free up more time to focus on creating awesome content. Chapter 7. Grammarly. Polishing your scripts to perfection. We all make mistakes, but typos and grammatical errors can make your content look unprofessional. That's where Grammarly comes in. This AI-powered writing assistant checks your grammar, spelling, and punctuation in real time, ensuring that your video scripts are clear, concise, and error-free. Grammarly even offers suggestions for improving your writing style and tone, helping you craft compelling scripts that resonate with your audience. Chapter 8. Epidemic Sound, the soundtrack to your success. Music can make or break your videos, and finding the right track can be a hassle. But with Epidemic Sound, you'll have access to a vast library of royalty-free music and sound effects that are perfect for any project. From upbeat tracks to cinematic scores, Epidemic Sound has something for everyone. Plus, their licensing is super straightforward, so you can use their music without worrying about copyright strikes. Chapter 9. Social Blade. Tracking your channel's growth. Finally, we have Social Blade, an essential tool for tracking your channel's growth and benchmarking your performance against others in your niche. Social Blade provides in-depth analytics on your channel's subscribers, views, and engagement, giving you valuable insights into what's working and what's not. You can also use Social Blade to track your competitors' channels, see how fast they're growing, and identify opportunities to get ahead. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found these tools as useful as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.